Okay, I just got some food at this place called Jungle Burger. Just another quick little food review here. So this is a chicken Philly. This is my first chicken Philly ever, actually. Never eaten one. Looks good. And this is just a chicken sandwich here. They didn't have turkey burger, so I rarely eat fries, but I wanted to try them out. There are some onion rings I got too, but someone ate all the onion rings already, and I just made it back, so I won't have any of those. But yeah, I never eat fries, but this is just a taste test, and I'll tell you what it's like later. So, salad, I added the spinach in there, but it's pretty big. Lettuce, cheese, that was pretty much it. They put some mushrooms in there. I just got a basic house salad. So I'm trying to hurry up because I'm about to watch the second episode of Loki. So I'll tell you what this is like later. Okay, so I finished eating the food, finished watching the season 2 episode 2 of Loki. That was good. So, and look, I left one more piece of chicken. Didn't even see it. So let me eat that. But the chicken Philly, that was my first chicken Philly. Obviously, it wouldn't be like the best chicken Philly out there on the planet or anything like that. It was good. I think I liked it a little bit more than the actual chicken sandwich. It was a chicken burger, but call it a chicken sandwich. Chicken tastes good though. So I did have to reheat some of the food up. Again, I live far, so it was already a little cool when the food, when I got it here. So heated it back up. It was a little bit crispier afterwards, unfortunately. But when I first bit into it, like the bread, everything was soft. As for the fries, I don't really know what to say. I don't know. The fries are okay. I don't know how to judge the fries. I'm not, I'm just not a person who's into fries. Like, that was my first time eating fries since I ate McDonald's, which is like 2005-ish, 2004, something like that. So, because I don't even eat McDonald's. But it was good. I was hungry, but I just wanted to taste it. Yeah, I recommend it. If you're hungry, want something pretty quick. I wouldn't say it's like the most amazing food ever. Again, I repeat that. So, but it was good, and Loki was good. So, computer's getting upgraded, new memory right now. Took that in today, so I should be going to pick that up tomorrow. Stay tuned. So, I guess I'll have my computer back next time I upload this video. But, see ya.